In today's video, we're diving into the world of accessible technology. Let's get started. The Magnifying Glass app for Android is a useful tool that transforms your smartphone into a digital magnifying glass. It utilizes the camera to capture images and enlarge small text or intricate details, making it easier for users to read fine print or observe closely. This app typically features adjustable zoom levels, allowing for enhanced clarity based on the user's needs. Many versions also include options for adding brightness adjustments, focusing tools, and freeze frame capabilities to hold an image for better viewing. It's particularly beneficial for individuals with visual impairments or those who frequently encounter small text, such as on labels or menus. Overall, the best magnifying glass apps combine functionality and ease of use, providing an effective solution for on-the-go magnification needs. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you discover the amazing capabilities of magnifying glass apps for Android. See you next time.